Hello.
Go ahead. Say bye-bye to the pool then. Say bye-bye to the pool.
Oh, bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Mommy, or the pool? Go on. Where you want to go to? We'll stay here? Okay. Say bye-bye to Mommy then. Bye-bye to Mommy.
No. Run.
Let's go to the pool. You want to see me soon? Get in the pool.
Hi.
Hi. Go over there. Okay, move. You have to get out of the way. You have to get out of the way, Aaron.
Slow down, Abby. Slow down. 1 step, 2 step.
She's trying. She's about to fall. She's got to compensate by going fast. We'll go home? What do you want? You want to climb? You want to climb? Okay, she wants to climb. Climb. Go ahead, climb. Climb. Yeah, kid. I think we need to take off her bangle.
Tight now?
So when I hold it, I end up squeezing the bangle and it might hurt my hand. Oops, see? Like that. Okay, baby? It's fine.
Ari buồn cười thế. Ari buồn cười thế. Bà kìa, Ari kìa. Bà kìa. Bà kìa. Bà kìa. Bà kìa. Không ra bà đi, ra bà đi. Ra bà đi. Bà. 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 Ui, careful, Ari. Slowly, slowly. Đi chậm mấy con. Slowly. Slowly.
Mama.
Bà chứ.
Ba.
Bà đâu? Bà đâu?
Hôm nay ở sàn nhà mình nó đi được dài lắm. Trong bếp ấy. Đi này nhà xong rồi sửa lại đứng lại thằng bạn đi tiếp.
Oh, she walked a lot by the kitchen.